Today, we will be disassembling the Mixcell print head for cleaning. First, we're going to take out the nozzle and plug, and then remove the main housing. Now go to the larger window and loosen the two bottom screws. Do not use impact tools for this step. Then remove the rotor. Now find the 4mm nuts and use the ratchet wrench supplied to remove them. Then pull the top plate out and remove the seal. Remove the top seal here. The bottom one can usually stay in, unless it's also dirty. That's disassembly for cleaning. For full disassembly, remove the motor as shown. If you need to replace this part, you can always order a new one from us. Now we'll show assembly. The large part of the motor goes opposite of the small section shown here. These three are large, this one is smaller. Be sure not to over-tighten these screws. Now the seals go in. Typically, I replace the top seal every 3 to 4 uses. Make sure the springs on the seal are facing up. Now the main seal. Add grease to prevent cement from sticking to the seals. This will make cleaning much easier. Now put the top plate back. Put a touch of grease on the rotor shaft. Make sure not to put too much. Also, put a touch of grease here. This makes installation easier. Now reinstall the rotor. There should be about 1/8 of an inch of space here. Put the 4mm nuts back. Not too tight here, finger tight is good. Now reinstall the main housing. Initially, the seal is a little tight, but it should get better with use. Lastly, reinsert the nozzle and plug. Be sure to align the red marks on the injection nozzle. The opening should be pointing towards the main housing.